The reason that misidentification is so common in robbery cases is that it's usually a startling event. The typical robbery scenario is a person is, there's a victim who's going about their business, and somebody approaches and shows a gun or shows a knife and threatens them and takes their property. It's a very startling event. And when people are under stress in that situation, it really detracts from their ability to focus in on the face of the perpetrator and identify the perpetrator with accuracy. There's also something that we call weapons focus, and that is if there's a gun involved, or there's a knife, or there's some weapon, there's a tendency for the victim to fixate on that weapon and not fixate on the face of the perpetrator. So we have a lot of situations where the wrong person gets arrested and gets brought in, and the victim thinks that looks like the perpetrator and perhaps IDs that person in a six-pack lineup or in court. But in reality, there's a lot of inaccuracy. There's a lot of misidentifications that occur in this scenario. It's not reliable, and we want to illustrate that to the court in the hopes of getting our client exonerated. I'm attorney Neil Shouse. If you or a loved one has been arrested for Penal Code 211 robbery in the state of California, call me. Let's see what we can do to get the charges reduced or dismissed.